If I run two dual 2-ohm voice coil subs and want to get 1 ohm, how should I wire them? Okay, so this one's easy. You can't wire two dual voice coil 2-ohm subs down to 1 ohm. Your wire options are only 0.5, 2 ohms, or 8 ohms. Reason being, when you get a dual voice coil sub, you have to wire up both of the voice coils, or you will end up messing that sub up. So if you want to get 1 ohm at the amp, then you need to buy two dual 4 ohm subs. I'm assuming you already have the dual 2, so your wire option is going to be 0.5 or 2. So you need to make sure that your amp is at least 0.5 stable or half ohm stable. If not, 2 ohms is going to be the best bet. You're wiring these subs up, you have to remember series means you're going to add your resistance, parallel means you're going to divide the resistance. So this CT sound sub that I have right here, they're dual 4 ohm subs. So there's each one of these voice coils is going to have a resting impedance of 4 ohms. If I parallel this one sub by itself, that will make this dual 4 a 2 ohm sub. Now if I have two single 2s, technically, then that can make it down to 1. That's why you got to do it with dual 4s. Hope this info helps, man. God bless. Peace.